Our bedroom has come a long way, from removing that old wardrobe that jutted into the hallway and taking out the walls, ceiling and floors. We also built a whole new wardrobe from scratch, and now we're ready to look into some of the finer details. In this video, we install our scalloped wall paneling, which adds texture and character into this room and mirrors design elements that we're pulling through into the entire home. Grab yourself a cup of tea and let's get started. Hi everyone!
Hi!
Welcome back to our channel.
Twilight edition.
It is twilight, it's like 8:16 p.m. We're in the bedroom, in the spare bedroom, which will be our bedroom for now while we do the second phase. But we're working on some really exciting things now that we're getting toward the end of phase one. So today we're going to be working on the wall paneling in the bedroom. So each room at the moment has different wall paneling. You might say we're a little obsessed with wall paneling.
You'd be right.
You might say that. So the wall paneling in here is really different from what we have in other rooms. This wall paneling is like a scalloped wall paneling. It really mirrors the scalloped edging we've done on the fireplace. And we're going to be doing it right around this bedroom up to a datum point of what's this?
1200.
1200.
Plus off the ground. With our skirting and everything.
Yeah.
So it sits up about 1300, I'd say, off the ground. So it's pretty high. But we have got tall ceilings, so it definitely aids the space.
Yeah, like for us, because we're working with such tall ceilings in the front of the house, we're making sure that we're bringing things up to elongate the room and really emphasize the height that we have to work with. We're going to be painting the scalloped edging like a muddy, sagey, olivey green.
It's going to be a big impact wall panel. It's a little bit expensive, but it's a really, really good investment, we believe. They're about $200-300 a sheet, just for a reference. So definitely not on the cheap side, but they are pretty exquisite. Like, they are a beautiful product. Tongue and groove, 12mm panel, MDF, pre-primed. Like, it's got all the bells and whistles in terms of product and materials go, so I'm pretty confident and happy with our decision.
So we'll tag this if you're looking for a paneling. We always think, when we've spent just over a year getting to this point, we don't want to skimp out on the finishes. When you decide to do a lot of the labour yourself to save money, you need to put some of that money towards the finishes. Know when to skimp or to cut down on your budget, and know when it's time to put into it to make sure that you're looking finished properly.
Yeah, that's right. Like, apart from our custom wardrobe here, this is one of the biggest elements for this bedroom. So it's well worth it.
I'm looking forward to seeing it.
Let's get it cut.
Bye.